especially on Zilla Panchayat election and strategy and how is the party going about? कसं
सी आमचे AICCचे इंचार्ज हांणी एक हाय लेवल कमिटी केल्ली वेर इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स आमचे CWCचे मेंबर्स सिनियर वायस प्रेसिडेंट अशे आमची कमिटी आशिल्ली. सो टुडे वी हॅड फर्स्ट मिटींग आनी हाव टू गो अबाउट ZP इलेक्शन्स, कॅन्डिडेट्स जे आयल्या, रेजर्वेशन्स, सो हाजेर आमी डिस्कशन केलें आणि वी हॅव केप्ट अनदर मीटिंग टुमॉरो टू डिसायड ऑन कॅन्डिडेट्स सिलेक्शन आणि एकदा नोटिफिकेशन आयलें की तांकां हाव टू गो अबाउट डिक्लेअरिंग इन ऑल, सो दॅट वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड इन डिटेल आज.
कितें कॅन्डिडेट्स शॉर्टलिस्ट केल्ले आतां पर्यंत?
हय, आमी एप्लिकेशनां जी मागयल्ली ती सगळी आमचे कडेन आयिल्लीं आसा, पुराय 50 मतदारसंघाची. सो त्या बेसिसाचेर कशें शॉर्टलिस्ट करप, कोण कॅन्डिडेट खंय कितें तें ताचेर आमची चर्चा जाली.
काँग्रेसाचो एक सदांच एक विशय असो आसता की एक म्हयनो जो आसा तो आनी 10 दीस उरले जाल्यार इलेक्शन तेन्ना ना जाता. हाऊ वूड यू मेक इट शुअर एज अ प्रेसिडेंट सेइंग दॅट
म्हाका दिसता अजून इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर जावं ना, नोटिफिकेशन फक्त आयलां आणि वी आर वेल प्रिपेर्ड. एज आय टोल्ड यू की आमचे कॅन्डिडेट्स जे आसा ते ऑलरेडी आयल्या. थोड्या जाग्याचेर we have shortlisted, so we will put it to the Pradesh Election Committee and then the final list of the candidates will be declared.
But once it is announced, well times there.
Yeah, we will do it very quickly. As I told you, फाल्यां आनी एक आमी meeting दवरल्या to decide on shortlisting the candidates, and immediately that is done. Once the notification comes, we will declare the candidates.
Is Congress going alone or will have a alliance?
See, that was a topic of discussion today. That today people's sentiment is there that we all have to come together and fight against this BJP. So that discussion, some points were discussed. So we are meeting again tomorrow to discuss and decide on those points, that what is a party strategy, what we have to do. And I think tomorrow, once that part is cleared, we will clear it to you.
No, but when you speak options open for
see,
alliance.
Talks are going on with our elected representative. Other political parties are putting their views. So we have taken their view, what is there, and I think what is in the best interest in state of Goa, that will do. But see, Congress has a presence in all the 40 constituencies. For SIR also, the booth level agents, booth committees, that also process is going on. But now ultimately, when it comes to when we look at a larger picture of 2025, when we have to defeat this corrupt BJP government, if we have to take steps, then with right proper channel, whatever is in the best interest of the state, that we will take the call. But today prima facie the discussion we have discussed about the seats, or what exactly is there in the mind of other political parties also. So to decide on that, we are meeting again tomorrow and we'll take a final call.
Okay, one more thing is that there is a rumor आताच्या हितून येयला की फोंड्या बाय इलेक्शनाचे हितून पळयत जाल्यार केतन भाटेकर ऑप्शन्स ऑफ जॉयनिंग काँग्रेस दे ओ समथींग शोन इंटरेस्ट कितें आहा तुमचे कडेन कितें येयला?
See, Ponda also, when last time तुम्ही म्हाका विचारिल्लें सांगिल्लें की let Ponda as Congress party, I have told you that we are election prepared for all the 40 constituencies, if you ask me. Now regarding Ponda, our entire team on Ponda is doing the work. For last 3.5 years, they are there with the people. And with this SIR process and with our signature voter campaign, our team, our Karyakarta workers are going to each and every person there. Within 6 months, by-election has to happen. So let the election commission declare or tell what is their date when they want to hold it. But Congress party is prepared for elections in Ponda.
पण केतन भाटेकर कितें आहा तुमकां चर्चा बा कितें जालो तुमकां वास बा कितें येयला कितें?
No, I don't know कोणे तुमकां हे न्यूज दिल्या पूण as I told you that Congress party is prepared to fight the Ponda battle.
But when you speak about alliance, other side, the Goa Forward is your alliance partner, and we have seen Goa Forward declaring the candidates in just now recently they announced in Mayam constituency. So is that talk with
No,
you?
if see, now as I told you that today we had a talk regarding the alliance seat sharing, if any is there, then how to go about it. Now when I've told you that we are meeting tomorrow to discuss on that, if somebody is going and declaring, I think that is not correct on the part. No? When you say that if you are in alliance, then there has to be a proper talk. We have to discuss. And then if it is not aligning on the terms, then you go and declare. But I am not sure whether they have declared or no. I am just hearing it from you. But as I told you, that is the interest of Goa. Tomorrow, see, आम्ही राजकारणान कोणा लागून आसा, आम्ही राजकारणान लोकां लागून आसा. सो फाल्यां लोकांक जे जाय तो निर्णय आम्ही घेतले.
ओके, वन मोर थिंग. अशें म्हणटा पळय, काल तुमच्या आमदाराचेर बाबू कवलेकरान कमेंट केलो. वॉट इज युअर सी एज अ प्रेसिडेंट?
सी, म्हाका दिसता हे सगळे खाकी घालून, काळी टोपी घालून, हे हांची आयडियोलॉजी कितें ही म्हाका दिसता ह्या देशाच्या लोकां मुखार आसा. This RSS ideology is to divide the people of this country. बाबू कवळेकाराक कसलोच मोरल अधिकार ना आमच्या आमदारांचेर उलोवपाचो. कित्याक होच बाबू कवळेकार जेन्ना काँग्रेस पक्षाचो विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी आशिल्लो तेन्ना 9 आमदारांक घेवन होच गेल्लो. लोकांच्या मॅन्डेटाचो विश्वासघात ह्या लोकांनी केल्लो. सो म्हाका दिसता बाबू कवळेकारान आपल्या RSS आयडियोलॉजीच्या पार्टीचे पोवचे आणि काँग्रेस पक्षाचेर उलोवचें न्ही.
काल तुमच्या आमदाराचेर बाबू कवलेकरान कमेंट केलो. वॉट इज युअर सी एज अ प्रेसिडेंट?
सी, म्हाका दिसता हे सगळे खाकी घालून, काळी टोपी घालून, हे हांची आयडियोलॉजी कितें ही म्हाका दिसता ह्या देशाच्या लोकां मुखार आसा. This RSS ideology is to divide the people of this country. बाबू कवळेकाराक कसलोच मोरल अधिकार ना आमच्या आमदारांचेर उलोवपाचो. कित्याक होच बाबू कवळेकार जेन्ना काँग्रेस पक्षाचो विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी आशिल्लो तेन्ना 9 आमदारांक घेवन होच गेल्लो. लोकांच्या मॅन्डेटाचो विश्वासघात ह्या लोकांनी केल्लो. सो म्हाका दिसता बाबू कवळेकारान आपल्या RSS आयडियोलॉजीच्या पार्टीचे पोवचे आणि काँग्रेस पक्षाचेर उलोवचें न्ही.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.